For decades, air power was simple. Whoever flew higher, faster, and carried more firepower ruled the sky. Pilots could see their enemies. Radars could track aircraft. Battles were loud, direct, and brutal. Then everything changed. The Age of Shadows began. In the late Cold War, militaries realized a terrifying truth. Speed alone was no longer enough. Radar networks were getting smarter. Surface-to-air missiles were spreading across the world. The sky was becoming deadly. To survive, aircraft had to stop being seen. That single idea gave birth to stealth. Early stealth aircraft looked strange. Sharp edges, flat surfaces, designs that seemed to ignore aerodynamics. They weren't built to impress. They were built to disappear. Radar waves that once bounced cleanly back to enemy screens were now scattered into nothing. Pilots could fly deep into hostile airspace, strike high-value targets, and vanish before anyone understood what had happened. The world first truly noticed this power. During real combat, stealth aircraft slipped through some of the most heavily defended skies on Earth and came back untouched. No dogfights, no warning, just silence, followed by destruction. Air defenses that were supposed to be unbeatable suddenly felt blind. But stealth alone was not. Supremacy. Early stealth jets had limits. They were fast, but not the fastest. They carried fewer weapons. They relied on support aircraft and careful planning. They were shadows, not kings. The next evolution was dominance. Modern air supremacy is no longer about a single aircraft. It is about a system. Stealth fighters today don't just hide. They see everything. Advanced sensors scan hundreds of kilometers. Data flows instantly between jets, drones, satellites, and ground units. A pilot no longer fights alone. They command a flying network. Enemies can be detected, identified, and targeted long before they realize they are being hunted. This is where stealth transforms into control. A modern stealth fighter doesn't need to fire a shot to win. By denying the enemy information, by disrupting radar and communications, it controls the battlefield. Opponents hesitate. Missiles are launched blindly. Fighters are forced to retreat or risk destruction they never see coming. And now, the next chapter is unfolding. Artificial intelligence is stepping into the cockpit. I assist pilots with threat detection, decision-making, and mission planning in real time. Loyal wingman drones fly alongside crewed fighters, extending their reach, carrying weapons, and taking risks humans don't have to. One pilot can command multiple aircraft at once. The sky is no longer a place of equal combat. It is a hierarchy. Nations without stealth struggle to survive in contested airspace. Those with it shape the battlefield before the first missile is launched. Air dominance today means striking anywhere, anytime, without warning and without retaliation. From shadows to sky dominance, air warfare has become quieter, faster, and far more decisive. The aircraft you never see are the ones that decide the outcome. And in the wars of the future, supremacy won't belong to the loudest jet or the fastest one. It will belong to the one that controls the sky before the enemy even knows the battle has